All the best RCB. All the best RCB. So play bold RCB. Play bold RCB. Thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you. Hello.
ಗುಡ್ ಮಮ್ಮ ಗುಡ್.
ಎಲ್ಲ ವ್ಯವಸ್ಥಾಪಕರಿಗೆ ಆಶಾ ಅವರಿಂದ ಹೃತ್ಪೂರ್ವಕವಾದ ವಂದನೆಗಳು. ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳು.
पंखु पीछे ना चलाओ चलाओ. Now my mother is learning scooty. So how she is learning. See. If you also want to learn, come in with the Aranapura ground. You can learn here. Actually now it's night, so you can't see anything. Actually we came at evening, but some tournament of cricket was going on, so we can't practice. So that's why now we are practicing. Good.
ರಿಯಾಜ್ ಅವರಿಗೆ ಸ್ಟ್ರೈಕರ್ಸ್ ಟೀಮ್ ಅವರಿಗೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಕಡೆಯಿಂದ ವಂದನೆಗಳು.